So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know the view looks a little bit different. You're used to seeing my face, boom, there. But before I get into today's video, I'm gonna need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe on the other videos, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And also, well, I already said it, but make sure you subscribe to the channel, stay updated, and obviously, support. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, my personal page, which is Vibe with Bree, _2_. And make sure y'all follow my beauty page, which is Beauty by Bree, 3_. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on vinyl labels on your lip gloss tubes, because I've heard it's like some people find it kind of hard to put their lip gloss labels on. So I'm going to show you a trick that I do that hopefully it don't start messing up because I'm on camera, but it's really, really efficient. And I'm just going to share the way I do it with you guys. So I get my labels made for me from Abby's Decals, and I will definitely provide a link to her website down below, and her Instagram, like all her info down below. She's really, really nice, down to earth, and if something's wrong, she'll definitely get back to you as soon as she can, try to adjust the situation and fix the problem. So today I'm going to be putting my label on my lip gloss, Ciroc. That glitter though is popping. We're going to just ignore my fingers because they look so ugly. But anyway, so the angle's going to look a little weird because it is facing me. But I will, do a video at the end for you guys' view. But first, what you want to gonna do is, I don't even have it near me. Great. Where is it? Oh, great. Oh, it's right here. Sorry about that. What you're first going to want to do, if you haven't already done so with your lip gloss tubes, which I already have, but just to double go back and make sure your tube is absolutely clean, give it a spray with alcohol. You want to make sure that that area you're going to place it in is completely dry. Place that to the side. And then, this is going to sound completely weird, but I literally take a quarter and scrape it until I can see the words on each side. Some people say using a card works better, but this is just the first way, like the first scrape that I do, that works very, very efficiently. So I'm using a quarter. I'm pretty sure you could use any other kind of coins, but the quarter works a lot better and a lot more efficient. I don't know, just because I guess this is a little bigger. But make sure you scrape as many times as you can, so you could see. I wish I could show you guys, so you could see that bumping, like the bump right there. The words come out and stick out a lot more. And then next, after that, what you guys are going to want to do is gently peel. See, this is why I need some nails. Oh God, gently peel. See, look, I'm doing all this craziness because I'm on camera. You're going to gently peel it off so that your words is on the sticky paper. After that, you're going to place, all right, let me place it in my view and not the camera view. You're going to place where you want your label to go and make sure that's absolutely where you want it to go. Once you figure out where you want it to go, just, gently rub your your thumb across it about 2 or 3 times. Well, I obviously did that more than 2 or 3 times, but definitely go over it a few times until it gets a little hot. Then actually do go in with it with my card, which I'm not gonna put in this camera. I mean, it don't work. The card's already off, but definitely you want to go against it now with a card, starting from either angle that you want to go in. But you want to just do this for as hard as you can for just about couple of seconds, because you already went over it with the quarter, which helped it out a little bit. And you want to have, after you finish all this, you want to have a nice sturdy tweezers so you could actually get the sticky part off. I find using tweezers very, very, very easy and more useful. So, unfortunately, I don't know what to do with my other tweezers, but we're gonna have to just use these bad boys right here. So, what you're gonna want to do is, clearly not that. Great, it broke. Gently, like gently, as gently. Come on, don't be dumb. Okay. All right, as gently as possible, you're gonna just start, you know, sliding up from both angles. Yeah, I need my other tweezers because these ain't it. This ain't it. And if sometimes you can see that the label isn't gonna come off. So that what that means is you need to go back in with the card, quarter, whoever, whatever you want to use. In my opinion, card will work. And just continue to go over it for about 2 minutes straight. So it's 2:15 now. I'm gonna just do this until about 2:17. And then again, oh my god, this room is hot. Yo, see, I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen with this label. Usually my labels come off, but today they want to act brand new and bougie. So with that being said, we're gonna leave this label like this because eventually I am gonna get it to come off. I'm probably just not using enough willpower on it. So literally that's what you guys need to do in order to get the label off. But I actually want to get the label, this sticky part off, so you guys actually know that it works. I just don't know if I put the quarter on it a little tad bit too much for it to be stuck to the sticky part, which I probably did. So what I'm going to do now is use one of her ideas, which is, you know, slide your thumb across it until it gets a little hot, so the heat will make it stick a little bit more down. Then I'll go back over it with the card. Oh no, this room is boiling right now. I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend though, you know, and everybody's business is doing great. I'm gonna be really upset if this label acts really dumb because I knew it was gonna do this on the camera. My labels always come off when I'm doing an order. It would be now that, you know, it's like, you know, you're on camera. So, see, it's coming off, but very, 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 very dumbly. But what you're gonna do after that is peel it off extremely slowly. When I mean extremely slowly, literally like this. Because if you start peeling it off like, you know, you rushing, honey, let me tell you, your label, half your label will be on the tube and half your label will still be on the sticky part, the vinyl. And you know, that's not what you want at all. Because it's happened to me before, you know, rushing. I'm like, all right, bet, cool. I got the label on, not, you know, knowing that I gotta wait. So I'm getting down to here and I noticed that my E is starting to act a little crazy. So I'm just gonna remove that out my way. Actually, I could get a little bit more. Just cut all that excess off. And again, just gonna go over it with the card, because sometimes you need to press super hard. If you're not pressing super hard to get, well, on the words per se, to get it off, it's really just gonna be all on the sticky part. You don't want to scratch this because there's no words down there, so you really just need to get on the words. I know some of y'all are like, yo, she got a Capital One card. Honey, let me tell y'all, it don't work. I ain't got no credit cards off. And again, gently, like super gently, take it off. Notice how my E came up a little bit. I'm just gonna pat it down with this. And just wipe my fingers across it real quick. And voila. I have my label placed where I want it. It's not sticking out on the bottom. And it's very super smooth. There's no lumps, no bumps. But definitely try this way. And let me know if this works for you guys, because I definitely want to hear some feedback on this. And I hope this video was very, very, very useful for you guys and as business owners. So like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely check out Abby's Decals. And I will see you guys in the next video.